Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're getting up close and personal and we're gonna do a face beat. So I'm just gonna get right into the video, show you guys a little holiday look, and yeah. The first shade I'm going in with is Pukey. I'm using this as my transition shade. I'm gonna be putting it on my crease and above my crease and just blending that out. So throughout this video, you're going to see me dipping my brush back into the color many times, and that's because I like to start off light and build the color up. Now I'm going in with the shade Silk Cream. I'm applying that above my crease, above the transition shade, and I'm just going to blend that out so there's no harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with the color Jada, and I'm applying that right on my crease. And again, I go in many times with that color just to build the color up. So now I'm going in with the shade Enchanted, and I'm placing that on my outer corner. And in this part, I like to just dab it on there so the color picks up more. It is now time to cut the crease. This is my favorite part. I do this really slowly because it's actually pretty hard. There's like techniques to cut your crease, but I feel like if you do it slow, you'll get it right. I'm now going in with the shade Diva. It's really shimmery and I like it. And I'm just placing that near my outer corner and kind of like in the middle of my lid, connecting it to the outer corner. And for the rest of my lid, I'm using the shade Queen. I love this color. It's really bright and shimmery. So I'm just going to place that and connect it. You're going to see me dragging it to the middle of my eyelid. I just want to connect it so it's like all blended together. Now I'm going in with the shade Beam, and I'm placing that right at my crease to make the colors in my cut crease pop. And I'm also placing that same color on my brow bone just to add life to the look. And I'm gonna place it also in my inner corners. So to finish the look, I'm gonna apply Jada and Enchanted on my lower lash line. First, I'm going in with Jada and placing it all throughout my lower lash line. And then with Enchanted, I'm just gonna place that on my outer corner through the middle of my lash line. So this is the look. This is my holiday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did go in and apply lashes, mascara, and I did do the foundation step. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.